Good morning, Kaylani. Eating your breakfast? Yes. Is it yummy? Yes, you're going to. Bye. Have a great day. Hey, YouTube. Hey, YouTube. We are finally back. I miss making content. So, my daughter started preschool, and the germs from the preschool got into my house, and everyone was sick, including myself. And Mama doesn't get sick. I don't know the last time I was sick. So that's when I knew I had to do a deep cleaning of the whole house. I done cleaned every crevice, every corner of this house. And now we're back. I miss making content. So, yay, the videos are coming back. So stay tuned. I hope you're enjoying it. I see I got some new subscribers. Thank you. You're in for a ride. Like, I have so many ideas. You're not going to be disappointed. I promise. So continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Share a video with your friends. Kimani saw me making a video and she wanted to say hi. Ooh, look at this hair, girl. But you're still cute. Say hi. You say hi? You wave? Or no? No? So you just wanted to say hi from over there? Okay. Well, I'm going to get her dressed for the day now. And then probably go on live on TikTok. And it's really a chill day. The house is clean. All the chores are done. Everything is done. So now Mama can relax. The girls are going to their grandparents' house this weekend. So, yay! We are a Pokemon household. Pokemon toothpaste. I love it. Yeah. See your tongue. One more time. Come on. Good. Mommy time. Can you brush your teeth? Yeah. All done. Okay, let's wash your face. Good. Pretty Money. Pretty girl.
Sorry, your friends. The more we get together,
I'm doing really good, thank you. Yeah, she's getting so big. Yeah, she's one now. Walking around, running around.